Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video here on Vaulty. We are once again on rain. We have 650 coins to play with today. And as you know, if you're going to play on the site, always use code Vaulty, best code out there, hit 7 days and apply. When you do so, you get 5% deposit bonus and you will join our 1000 coin bi-weekly leaderboard. So don't miss that out. You can also claim all the promo codes that we hide in these videos. So yeah, let's get straight into it. So let's just start off. 25 coins, rain spin, and hopefully we can get that 100x for the 2.5k win. It's loading a bit. Okay, that's not it. Let's go 2 versus 2. Just 2 versus 2 regular, because I have not hit anything. So today should be the day. Okay, nothing in the first one. Come on. Invisibility. Give us the AK X-ray now. Okay, boys. Just do it. Give us the good one. Good AK. 1% ticket. No fucking way. It baited for the good one. It would have been 850 coins. That's so disgusting. Catacombs. Okay, they hit. Watch it be the slaughter as well. Okay, that's still really good. We need to hit in the next one now. 25 Logan, just do it. Okay, we might actually have a chance here. We need 200 coins plus. That's not enough. If we don't snipe it on this one. No, of course not. Fuck man, why did they bait on the visibility? Last straw, this is a new case as well. I don't care who gets the hit. Okay, no one gets anything. No, too fast. Okay, nothing. 2 1%ers and a 5%er left. Pot is not looking good at all. No. Come on, this one. Global. No way. Okay, what is this battle? I don't even want to see that. Let's do another 25 here. We won the battle as well. That's not nice to see when we don't win anything. Why? I thought it was going to hit. 20xer. Too fast. Let's go another one here. Let's do 15 this time. Fuck it, let's do 20, so we're at 350. I mean, we're already down. That's not gonna hit. We're already down 300 coins. We are so due. We need to hit something now. Nothing. Nap time. Nothing. Okay, 25 Logan. You need to clutch now. No. This is also a 5% there. Stop. Okay, that's a hit for us. Give us a gold now. This is an important hit. Show us the karambit. What is that? Why is that even in there? Are you kidding me? Why is that even in there? It is a win, but it's not what we are after. 5x upgrade. Yeah, that's not hitting. And let's clear out the balance. No, 2 versus 2 regular. And 25 Logan, just do it. Okay, double hit straight away. Give us the Ursus. Give us the Ursus. Okay, we get the same one. That's really bad as well. 100, okay, we'll take it. Come on, we need more hits. Okay. Be something good now. Okay, we'll take it. Not the best one, it is a red though. Cotton candy, don't fuck us over. Okay. It's a win, we'll take it. How much does it pay? 237. 29 on rain. And let's throw a 10 on bait. That don't want a hit. It don't want a hit. Just give us that ticket for the Gamma Doppler. Okay. Now. Okay, not good that I hit, but we'll still take it. Okay, that's 300, that's good. Now these two needs to hit, bot 10 and 8. Bot number 10 and 8, hit on this one. No, imagine. Last case. Okay. Can we snipe? No, we cannot. Yeah, it's all in time now. 2 versus 2 jackpot. 5 cases. We need to hit this one. Go down. No, why do you bait us? Logan. No. Bonk swag. Medusa. No. The battles are so dry right now. 5% rifle. No. It's up to BCX. Hedge maze. Stop. And it goes over. And we don't win as well. We were down at 2.5 coins, boys. This is the end of the video if we don't manage to hit 100x here. But I don't think that is going to happen. We'll just wait it out and see. Just maybe 100x. Let's see. Why? Why do we hit now? When I only have 2 coins on it. Give us 100x. How much is that? It's not gonna be much. 50 coins. Can we save it with these 50 coins? Let this be the save of the video. No. Why should it be? We're back to double. And we miss it by 1. We're just gonna end the video now, boys. We're not winning anything. Where is the regular one? 2x. Okay. Boys, you can't always win, as you know, but thank you guys so much for watching the video. If you're going to play on Rain, don't forget to head over to Deposit and use code Vaulty. Hit 7 days and apply. When you do so, you join the leaderboard. It's 12 days left. So yeah, we will see you boys in the next video.
5 minutes later.
Or no. Or no, I'm just kidding. We're not ending here. Give us a crazy one. No, that is so bad. That is so bad. Yeah, boys, we're just gonna end it off here. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. We will see you boys in the next one.